In a world where ammonia is weak and acids rule the lab, one process changes everything. Your future scientists, today we are unlocking industrial chemistry's biggest flex, turning basic ammonia to nitric acid. 98% of students sleep on this topic, but मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम और आप मिलकर बनाएंगे nitric acid like a TikTok hack. So let's go. इधर आओ. Why platinum? Catalytic chamber. Here, ammonia and air ratio is actually 1:10 क्योंकि chemistry loves drama. Meet platinum gauze, the VIP of the party. Platinum ना वो एक friend है जो start तो करता है हर कुछ but never changes. It is like a catalyst. The reaction is exothermic, मतलब एक बार ये प्रोसेस जब स्टार्ट होगा, जब अमोनिया और ऑक्सीजन आपस में रिएक्ट करेगा इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ द हीरो, द वीआईपी प्लैटिनम, तो क्या होगा कि हमें नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड मिलेगा, वाटर मिलेगा एंड लॉट्स ऑफ हीट एनर्जी. एंड इस तरह के रिएक्शन को हम कहते हैं एक्सोथर्मिक. मतलब अब फाइनली हमें एक ऐसा रिएक्शन मिला जहां पे शुरू में तो हमने हीट किया बट फर्दर हम लोग और हीट नहीं करेंगे. नो, we have got nitric oxide. Before moving to the next step, we have to cool the nitric oxide to 50 degrees centigrade. Me trying to stay cool under exam pressure. Now the oxidizing chamber, the glow up chamber. Here nitric oxide gas react with oxygen and forms nitrogen dioxide at about 50 degrees centigrade. Remember we have cooled, right? हमने अभी कूल किया था गैस को जो बहुत हाई टेम्परेचर पे था. So finally at about 50 degrees C in oxidizing chamber we got nitrogen dioxide. Finally the absorption tower, the spa day for gases, where NO2 gas will get dissolved in water like dreams in every Monday mornings. And we get dilute nitric acid. NO2 जब water से मिलता है ना, in presence of oxygen gas, which is the drama, that's why हमने 1:10 ratio लिया था, तो forms dilute nitric acid in this absorption tower. Here why quartz? Actually quartz is the VIP of the reaction. You know, quartz is the secret weapon and have more time to react, equal to more nitric acid. Remember we cooled the gases earlier? Quartz also keeps the things still. So NO2 does not panic and decompose back to nitric oxide. So we finally got the dilute nitric acid here. Now dilute nitric acid trying to be strong. We need concentrated acid. So it's time for distillation. We gently boil this dilute acid. Water evaporates first. What's left? 68% nitric acid. 68% is cool, right? But real ones need fuming nitric acid, that 98% base that literally smokes like a barbecue grill. Who will do this? Meat, the sulfuric acid, the ultimate dehydrator. It steals the water molecule from nitric acid and produces 98% nitric acid. Boom! You just leveled up chemistry. Go flex this in your exam and smash that like button, subscribe and comment. Platinum goes for president. Thank you. Bye bye.